Thanks so much. My most recent purchase was actually just 10 minutes ago. I was online looking for a special Christmas gift for my my father for Christmas, and my mom called me last night and said my dad asked for a special request for Christmas, which is a knife sharpener. And my mom went all over the internet and she couldn't find the right one to get because there's so many different automated ones, like electric knife sharpeners and expensive ones, and you can spend hundreds of dollars. But I remember that we have a knife sharpener that's from IKEA that only costs $10. And this knife sharpener is actually very effective. I've used it to sharpen some very expensive and good knives, including a professional chef's knife that I was gifted many years ago. And it did a really excellent job of sharpening that knife. So I was researching, how can I find a similar quality knife sharpener without having to drive for an hour to go to IKEA? What is a local store that I could find that has a knife sharpener in a similar way? And I found that the store Canadian Tire has this knife sharpener, exactly the same one, for just $15, and I was able to order it. So I'll be picking it up in store tomorrow. So that'll be my exciting venture tomorrow out in the snow, try to get over to Canadian Tire to pick up a knife sharpener for my dad, and I'll be happy to give that to him for Christmas. Thanks, Jim. I'll turn it back to you.
Thank you, Jeff.